and welcome to Versa Cloud ERP. In today's video, we will be covering on how a user can convert a sales order to a purchase order. The first step in this process is to create a sales order. The user can go to the sales menu and click on the new sales order option. In the sales order screen, you can go ahead and select the customer and then follow up to fill any required details on the sales order header. You can change the primary ship from, update the ship to address, update currency, update the sales channel, sales agent, or the payment terms. Once done, user can click on Assign Order Number. In the Sales Order Item section, the user can select the product they want to create the sales order for, update the unit price, and select the non-taxable reason. Once done, hit Create. We can go ahead and add another sales order item line and follow the same process. Once the sales order is created, the user can go down and go to the View mode. In the View mode, under the More drop-down, user needs to select the option Convert to Purchase Order. This will open a pop-up where a user can select the supplier and choose the lines they want to create the purchase order for. Once you've selected both the lines, user can hit Create. This will take the user to the Edit Purchase Order screen. As you can see, both the line items of the sales order are linked to the sales order and all the details are pre-populated. At the bottom of the screen, Versa gives users a few options such as print, generate a shipping label, email, and more. Under the More option, user can choose to prepay a PO, import CSV lines, or delete all lines. Let's go ahead and try to email the purchase order to the supplier. Once you hit an email, Versa will take you to a screen where you can select the details of what needs to be included in the email, such as the purchase order attachment or any other supplementary forms. This email template is also customizable in Versa. Once the email has been sent, Versa will create a log that the email has been delivered to the receiver. Now let's go ahead and receive the PO from logistics. Select new receipt. Under this, select the supplier we just created the purchase order for. Select the ship to address and hit on filter open order items. Under this, search for the purchase order that we created and click on receive line. Once both the lines of the purchase order are received, user can fill in details such as carrier information, shipment number, or the receipt date. Once everything is done, you can go ahead and click on post receipt. Now let's go back to the sales order. In the universal search bar, type the sales order number, and this will take us to the sales order page. In here, we can mark the order as ready and then go ahead and ship the order. This will directly take us to the new shipment order form. We can go ahead and add both the lines of the sales order. Once the user fills in all the details, such as tracking order number, shipment method, and the package dimensions, here the user can choose to click the option Get Shipping Rates to get shipping rates from the respective carrier for such a package, and choose to generate a packing list, automatically create an invoice once the shipment is posted, post invoice after saving, or apply deposit to the posted invoice. Right now, we just chose to create an invoice. As you can see, the shipment is successfully posted and the invoice for the sales order has been created. And with this, the user was able to create a purchase order from a sales order, receive the products, and then proceed to ship them and create an invoice.